Today, I am going to teach you Aaron about our new feature. The name is Smart Space Partitioning. Through this simple tutorial, Aaron can quickly create a private cabinet. Let's start now. First, you can create a box and select it. If you are using this feature for the first time, open our main window. In the Start Design area, click the Space Edit icon to activate. The current box will automatically convert into a space. There is an operation panel on the left side of the space. We click a split button to open the Space Edit window. In the split direction area, we select Z. In the split scheme, we enter 100 millimeters. And the split type, we select No. After setting, we click Apply button. Now, we see that the current space is divided into two spaces, top and bottom. Step 1. We select one of the spaces below. Then in the operation panel on the right, select the cabinet foot component and drag it to the area above. Then click a Confirm and Apply button. Step 2. We select a space above, and in the operation panel on the left, we click the left, right, top, bottom, and back buttons respectively. Then double-click the top panel. In the right side edit window, in the split scheme, we enter 18 millimeters to -1, and the Y, we select Y, and then click Apply button. Step 3. We double-click the back panel, and in the right side edit window, in the panel thickness area, we click this button to select a back panel thickness parameter. And in the placement area, we click this button to select the back distance parameter. And in the insert area, we click this button to select the groove depth parameter and click Apply All button. In the panels area, we select a back panel and click Apply button. The final step is to click the double door button in the top toolbar. Then click the Create Cabinet button in the right-click menu, and the private cabinet will be successfully created. Now, you can change the size, use the scaling tool, or you can edit the parameters to modify the size. We can change the width, height, depth, and panel thickness. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Next time, I will teach you how to create different components to quickly build cabinets. Thank you.